In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an email address from LinkedIn profiles. This is a very quick process, and in this example, we're simply locating the email address that is already listed in a LinkedIn profile's contact details. If you're following along, make sure you're signed into LinkedIn so you can view the profile information properly. To begin, go to your profile on LinkedIn. Once you're on the platform, open your own profile page. This is the main page where your profile photo, headline, and personal detail appear. If you're new to navigating LinkedIn, this is the central place where your account information is displayed, and it's also where LinkedIn stores any contact details you've chosen to make available. After you've opened your profile, look for the contact info section. On most LinkedIn profile pages, this appears near the top area of the profile, usually alongside or just below the main introduction section. Click on Contact Info to open the Contact Details panel. This will bring up a small window or overlay that shows the information connected to the profile. Once that panel opens, go to the email section. The email address listed there is the email associated with the profile. If an email is visible, that's the address you're looking for. Depending on the profile settings, LinkedIn may show one email address or limited contact details. So if you don't see an email listed, that usually means it hasn't been made visible in the contact information area. A helpful tip here is to carefully read the labels inside the contact info window, because LinkedIn may also show other items such as websites, phone numbers, or social links in the same area. Make sure you're identifying the entry specifically labeled as email, and that's it. The process is simply to open the LinkedIn profile, click Contact Info, and then check the email section to find the address shown there. It's a straightforward method and a useful one when you need to confirm what contact information is available directly on a LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching, and if you're following this as part of your LinkedIn workflow, just remember that visibility of contact details depends on the profile settings, so what appears can vary from one profile to another.